Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you this super easy, yummy and healthy vegetarian chop suey recipe. Let's check out the ingredients first. Few pieces green beans. Green beans should be prepared by removing the stalks on each side, by breaking the tip on each side and then peeling down to the end. These green beans are delicate, so there is not much stalks being peeled off. Wash the beans and then cut it diagonally. You can also cut it straight if you prefer to do it that way. Two to three pieces of Nappa cabbage. Wash the Nappa cabbage first and then cut the leaves off the stems. Keep the stems and leaves separately. Cut the stems to about 2 cm wide and 4 cm long. For the leaves, we can cut a little bit longer for about 5 to 6 cm long, and we don't need to worry about the width. Next, we need a handful of pork choy. Today, the pork choy I'm using is quite tiny, so literally I do not need to cut it into any sizes. If you are using bigger pork choy, cut the big piece into half. 1 to 2 stems of celery. Today, I cut the celery into half before washing by mistake. I should keep the original length. After washing, celery should be prepared by removing the stalks first, by breaking the stems into half and sliding down to take the stalks out, and then cut the celery diagonally. As I cut the celery into half by mistake, it makes the final cutting a bit difficult because each stem is too short for cutting. Another ingredient is shiitake mushroom. I used the fresh frozen shiitake mushroom. You can also use dried shiitake mushroom. Slice the mushroom to 2 or 3 pieces. It should not be too thin for chop suey. I also used a cube of hard tofu. There are a few types of hard tofu on the market. Use this pressed hard tofu. Slice the hard tofu to about half a centimeter thick. Few slices of carrot to enhance the color. And finally, a handful of broccoli. Wash it first and then cut it to bite sizes. We also need to prepare a gravy sauce. 2 teaspoons light soy sauce, half teaspoon sesame oil, 2 teaspoons cornstarch, some mushroom seasoning, and 60 ml of water. Mix them well and put aside for cooking. Now we finally go to cooking. We need to blanch some vegetable first. Boil a pot of water, put a teaspoon of oil, some salt and sugar to the boiling water. This step is to maintain the color of the green veggies. Put the green beans and carrot to the boiling water first and blanch for 30 seconds. And then put the Nappa cabbage stems in first. Next is broccoli, and finally shiitake mushrooms. Blanch for 1.5 minutes. After 1.5 minutes, drain the water and rinse under tap water for about 1 minute to cool down the vegetables. Heat up the wok. Put 1.5 tablespoon to 2 tablespoon oil to the hot wok. We need a little bit more oil this time because this dish is vegetarian, so there won't be any extra oil released during cooking. Put the Nappa cabbage leaves to the wok first and toast for a few times. Then put the tofu slices in. Saute for about 1 minute. and then put the pork choy and celery in. We also need half a teaspoon salt now. Saute for another minute. If you feel the wok is too dry, which makes the veggie a little bit burnt, add about 20 ml water in. Then keep toasting until 1 minute is reached. Now put the rest of the blanched vegetables in, give it a few toasts, and then put the gravy sauce in. Before putting the gravy sauce in, remember to give it a good stir first. We need to keep toasting the vegetables until the sauce thickened. Okay, final tasting. Add salt if needed. Remember to give the vegetables a few toasts after adding extra salt. Now it is done. Do they look beautiful and delicious? This is a very healthy dish. It can be eaten individually with rice and noodles for vegetarians or teamed with other meat dishes for a balanced meal. Give it a try and I hope you will like this recipe. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time. Bye!